we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Chinese stir-fried noodles dish. We're going to be looking at how to pronounce more interesting and often mispronounced food names, in particular from cuisine in China. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. For reference, in Chinese, this is pronounced something along the lines of Chow Mein, Chow Mein, Chow Mein. This is why in English some people pronounce it as Chow Mein, Chow Mein. Others do pronounce it as Chow Mein, Chow Mein, because I guess the Chinese pronunciation is right in between mein and main. Chow Mein or Chow Mein. It doesn't really matter in English because it's pronounced slightly differently in Chinese. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting food names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.